Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears healthy. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of natural fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a natural sweetener like honey. You will also need a silicone gummy bear mold and a small saucepan. This method focuses on simple steps to create a delicious and nutritious treat for everyone to enjoy. To begin, choose your favorite fruit juice. Apple, orange, or berry work wonderfully. Pour 1 cup of juice into a saucepan and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of gelatin over it. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes to allow the gelatin to bloom. This blooming process is crucial for achieving the right consistency in your healthy gummy bears. Once the gelatin has bloomed, place the saucepan over low heat. Stir continuously until the gelatin is fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth, but do not boil it. Remove from heat and stir in your natural sweetener. Now, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. Place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to set. After 2 hours, your healthy gummy bears should be perfectly set and ready to enjoy. Gently pop them out of their molds. Store any uneaten gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic snack or a fun, healthier dessert option. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.